Are you ready to see the coolest basketball trick shot? This is the outdoor Rube Goldberg machine that goes around Cree's entire yard. He's going to attempt to do a basketball shot after 70 steps. This video was done in one take and there were no hidden cuts or edits. Cree's machine took about a month to build and a month to fully work. Are you ready to see if he's going to make it? This is so entertaining to watch. This must have taken a lot of patience because it's immaculate. See what a creative mind can do. Do you think he will make it? This is so exciting to watch. Here comes the end, the moment of truth. So cool! It was a victory!